This is the BrosTrend PCI-e Wi-Fi card, which is excellent for connecting your desktop PC to the latest high-speed AC Wi-Fi networks, and today we'll take you through how to install it. After you open the package, you'll find the PCI-e Wi-Fi card itself, the magnetic antenna base, 2 antennas, the CD with drivers, user manual, and the extra metal bracket for installing on low-profile PCs. The driver software can be found on the CD, or if your computer can't read CDs, please visit the BrosTrend website and download the latest drivers and save them to the desktop on your PC. We'll be using these again later. Now we'll make sure our computer is completely powered off and we'll switch off the power supply, then we'll unscrew and open the PC case. Right here we can see a PCI Express 16X slot and 1X slot, both of which are compatible with the BrosTrend PCI-e Wi-Fi card. We'll then plug our Wi-Fi card tightly into the PCI-e 1X slot and screw in the screw, then close the side of the PC case. Next we'll need to connect the antenna base to the Wi-Fi card and install the antennas on the antenna base. The antenna base has a magnet inside to keep it in place, and the cable itself is 3.3 feet. You can place the antenna base both horizontal or vertically for optimal Wi-Fi connection. Now for the software. Open up the driver that we found on our CD or that we downloaded before and simply click the install button and follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation. We'll restart our PC after the installation finishes, and once that's done, we'll click the wireless icon on the PC, select the Wi-Fi network, input our credentials, and once that green LED starts to glow, you know that you're connected to the internet. Yes, the Wi-Fi card works with small sized desktops as it contains an extra bracket in the box to allow you to adjust which size you are using. Simply replace the current bracket with this small profile one and you're good to go. In case you need assistance in using the BrosTrend PCI-e Wi-Fi card, please feel free to contact us by sending us an email. Also too, you can grab the up-to-date drivers over on the support page on the BrosTrend website. And thank you for watching.